Hello viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be looking at the Science Paper 1 2021 GCE, question B4. Question B4 reads, a small hard ball of mass 0.1 kilograms is thrown vertically upwards and reaches a height of 12 meters above the point from which it was thrown. A small hard ball of mass 0.14 kilograms is thrown vertically upwards and reaches a height of 12 meters above the point from which it was thrown. A. Calculate the work done in lifting the stone to the height it attains. So the stone is going up. Okay, the stone is going up, and what they are looking for is the work done. So for an object going upwards, okay, against gravity, okay, the work done in lifting the object is actually work against gravity. Now, work against gravity is just calculated by finding the weight of the object, which will be the force, multiply that by the height the object attains. So the force in this particular case is going to be equal to the weight of the object, which is going to be equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. Okay, in this particular case, people may be tempted to use a negative g. No, the g remains positive. Okay, the g remains positive. All right. Then secondly, we know that the distance we are going to use is going to be equal to the height. So in short, what I'm trying to say is that work done against gravity is simply the potential energy that the object is going to attain. So we're going to have work is equal to mgh, so which is going to be 0.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by right. Okay, allow me to wrap everything. So we're going to have work, capital letter W, is equal to mgh. This is equal to 0.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12. So if we use a calculator for that, we're going to have 0.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12. So this is going to give us 16.8. So we have 16.8. So this is equal to 16.8 joules. So 16.8 joules. So we're going to write here as 16.8 joules of work. All right. So this is work done. Potential energy is work done against gravity. All right. We proceed to B. Okay. B is asking, what is the velocity of the ball at the maximum height? What is the velocity of the ball at the maximum height? So when you throw something up, it actually takes on this trajectory. Okay. When it reaches the maximum height here, what happens is that the ball or the object should stop going up and start coming down. So it will now start coming down. So it means that at the maximum height there, h, the object should stop. So here the object should stop before it can start coming down. So if the object stops, it means that the velocity at this point v will be equal to 0 meters per second, because it has to stop so that it turns back. So the velocity at the maximum height is 0 meters per second. 0 meters per second. So that is the velocity. All right, we proceed to C. All right, C. On a windy day, the same stone is thrown up with the same energy, but fails to reach the height reached earlier. Why does it happen like this? On a windy day, the same stone thrown upwards with the same energy. So if it is thrown with the same energy, we expect it to reach the same height, but it fails to reach the height that was reached earlier, which was 12 meters. All right, why is this like that? So what we should understand is that the more we have air moving around the object, the higher the friction of force between the air molecules and the object. Okay? Therefore, if the higher the friction, the higher the air resistance. The higher the air resistance, meaning more energy is being used by the object to actually dissipate air molecules. So this is because on a windy day, okay, this is because on a windy day, okay, the friction of force between the air molecules and the object increases. Hence, the object loses some of its energy to the air, loses some of its energy, to the air molecule. To the air molecules. Okay. To the air molecules. Hence, reducing the total energy the object has. Yeah, like that. So, what are we saying? So this is because on a windy day, the friction of force, it's supposed to be force between the air molecules and the object increases. Hence, the object loses some of its energy to the air molecules, hence reducing the total energy the object has. So this is the reason why it fails, because on a less windy day, less energy was used in actually going through the air molecules. Okay, on a windy day, more energy is required to actually pass through the air molecules. Hence, most of the energy is lost to the air molecules and the object fails to reach the height attained at the beginning. Thank you very much, viewers. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or queries, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. Thank you very much.